guys, this is Khadija from our craft edit, and I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful summer pen. So, the things you're going to need are a design computer sheet, adhesive glue, 2 ice cream sticks, scissors, and tape. So, let's get started. Now I'm going to first fold down this paper beneath this paper and then turn it upwards again. Put some folds on the paper. So turn it like this and then like this. I'm gonna do like this all the way down the paper. So now the folds are completed, and now you have to fold it into half like this. You have to fold it into half like so. And then put tape on the bottom of the paper. I'm gonna use this tape and I'm gonna paste it on the bottom of the paper. Like this. So now the bottom of my pen is completed. Now I have to paste 2 ice cream sticks on it. One ice cream stick will be pasted here and the other one here. And the thing you have to keep in mind is to put the ice cream stick a little bit above the tape so that it can bend easily. I'm going to paste it with adhesive glue. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So now both of the ice cream sticks are pasted on the end of the paper, but now the pasting of this side of the paper is left, so I'm going to paste this. So now I'm going to paste this with adhesive glue again, like so. Close it. Take time for the pen to dry, so I'm gonna let it here. I'm gonna put it here and let it dry for about 30 seconds. As you can see, I've let my pen sit here for about 30 seconds and it is well dry. I hope this video was enjoyable, and if it was, please subscribe to our channel, like Naveed,